There are a number of factors that can contribute to a motorcycle accident. Many times, the big factor is the person driving the other vehicle involved in the collision not noticing or not seeing the motorcycle. And so if another driver is on the roadway with the motorcycle, that driver has a responsibility to see that motorcycle and take whatever steps are necessary to ensure that nothing is done to endanger the life or safety or health of the person operating the motorcycle or anybody who might be riding with the person operating the motorcycle. Motorcycle accidents tend to be worse than wrecks involving cars or other types of vehicles because when you're on a motorcycle, you don't have anything around you. You don't have any protection. And usually the wreck results in the body of the person on the motorcycle coming in contact with the asphalt or something on the side of the road, such as a tree or another vehicle. And because of that, the injuries are usually much more devastating than the typical auto accident. People suffered broken limbs, they suffered head injuries, they suffer injuries to internal organs. Many times they'll suffer the loss of a limb, the loss of an arm, the loss of a leg. Many times, especially with motorcycles, there tends to be a lot of finger pointing to people on motorcycles, saying that the motorcycle rider was riding too fast or riding recklessly. And many times you want to get evidence preserved that will help prove that the other party involved in a wreck was the party that was at fault. And the way to do that is to get in contact with an experienced lawyer in the area of motorcycle accidents as soon as possible. It's been my experience that insurance companies don't treat people who've been involved in motorcycle wrecks very well. Many times the insurance companies, the representatives for the insurance companies who in fact are trained at their jobs in handling claims will try to communicate or try to make a person who's been injured from a motorcycle believe that it was something that he or she did wrong. Or if the person on the motorcycle is killed, they'll try to make the family members, the beneficiaries of the estate of the person who's been killed, believe that the motorcyclist did something wrong. Oftentimes, the insurance companies will not accept responsibility for the actions of the person who actually caused the wreck that caused the severe injuries or took the life of someone on a motorcycle. I have decades of experience handling motorcycle accidents and representing people who've been injured in motorcycle accidents. In addition to handling accidents on behalf of people who've ridden motorcycles, I have lots of experience representing the family members of motorcyclists who've died as a result of being involved in an accident with someone who's negligent. Our past clients and our current clients would say that Osborne Law Firm is a firm that cares. The lawyers, the paralegals, those who call and speak with you about your case on a daily basis or a regular basis care about your case. At Osborne Law Firm, we think it's very important to maintain good communication with our clients. Our clients call us. Typically, we're available when they call. If we're not available right then we try to get back in contact with them with a very short period of time. We try to keep our clients always on top of what's going on. We try to keep them current on what's happening in their cases. We understand that for almost each one of our clients, their case is the most important thing or one of the most important things in their lives. We respect that, we appreciate that, and we work hard to deliver. Osborne Law Firm is a small law firm that handles personal injury cases. And there are a number of advantages to having a small law firm represent you versus having a large law firm represent you. With Osborne Law Firm, you don't get lost in the system. We know who you are. Typically, our clients know each and every one of us. If you call and you can't reach me at the office, then you can speak with one of the paralegals or someone else in the office who can help you or answer your questions. Our goal is to make our clients happy, to keep a close personal relationship, and to excel in representing our clients so that in the future they can perhaps refer us other people who they think might be able to use our assistance. I am licensed to practice law in 5 different jurisdictions. My office primarily is located in North Carolina, where I practice, but I also have a law license to practice in the state of Maryland, Washington, D.C., South Carolina, and Georgia. During your consultation with Osborne Law Firm concerning a motorcycle accident, you can expect that we'll sit down with you or sometimes talk with you over the phone, depending on your availability, about the details of the incident and the other information that we need in order to set up the claim, preserve evidence, and then, if necessary, pursue the matter in court with a lawsuit.